Okay, this is Body Lisa Lascano. Well, feeling sexy? Sexier? Yes! Woo! Okay, yes! Woo! Body Lisa from Tansa, Cavite. Yay! Woo! Yan! Okay! Then we have Body Miwa. Yes! From Pulang Lupa, Las Piñas. Okay! Yes! Oh, feel na feel! Talaga naman! Be inspired! Why not? Diba? Yes! So sexy! Yay! Okay, Body Eden from T.S. Cruz, Las Piñas. Woo! Feeling sexy? Okay! Yay! Si Body Eden. Yes, Body Eden. Go! Ayan! Yan ang Ilocana. So sexy! Bicolana, sorry, kulang ng B. Ayan, thank you, Body Eden. Okay, we have Body Jane from Paranaque. Yes. So look at Body Jane. So inspired, blooming. Yes. Ayan, feel the sky. Feel the sun. Okay. Well, why not? Thank you, Body Jane. Yes. And now we have, and now we have, hi, Body Lorna and Body Cookie. Body Lorna, Body Cookie. Body Lorna, Body Cookie, please. Yeah, inspired. Okay, Body Shop. Yes, Body Shop. From Las Piñas. Oh, Body Shots. Yes, just feel the moment. Yes, this is your moment. Yes. Yeah, so sexy. Yeah, thank you. Okay, Body Cookie. Oh my gulay. From Pulang Lupa, Las Piñas. This is Body Cookie. Oh wow, Body Cookie. Yes, Body Cookie. Oh, yeah. Feel my sexiness. Feel my inspiration. Yes. Life is so beautiful. Kahit maglakad lang po. Ayan, thank you. This is Body Lorna from Paranaque. Ayan, just feel life. Feel happy. Feel beautiful. Yes, so inspiring. Yay, Body Lorna. Thank you. Okay. Oh, careful. Slowly. Dahan-dahan po. Dahan-dahan. Okay, Body. Okay, dahan-dahan. Okay. We have Body Tina. Body Tina. Yes. We have Body Light. Body Tina. Well, look. Mataas na po yung araw. Inabot na ng 12 noon because of the shades. Yes. Thank you for the inspiration. Ayan, si Body Light. Okay, we have Body Babette. Body Babette. Just walk. You just walk. Yeah. Okay. Ayan. Thank you. Yes, okay. Take your Bow. Bow. Yan. Bye. Thank you. God bless us. Okay.